APM Technical Analysis. Trend analysis. Over the past 3 months, Aptorum Group Limited, APM, exhibited significant volatility. From May to mid-July, prices fluctuated between 0.86 and 1.35, with a notable spike in early June reaching 1.35. A dramatic surge occurred on July 16, with the price jumping from 0.97 to 1.94, followed by another explosive move on August 21st, closing at 4.04 after hitting a high of 4.47. The latest closing price of 4.04 is well above short-term moving averages, 5-day SMA at 1.88, 10-day SMA at 1.63, and 20-day SMA at 1.57. This indicates a strong short-term bullish trend. Long-term moving averages, 50-day SMA at 1.33, 100-day SMA at 1.13, 200-day SMA at 1.10, also support a broader uptrend as the price remains significantly above these levels. Exponential moving averages, EMA 20 at 1.64 and EMA 50 at 1.41, confirm the bullish momentum, though the recent spike suggests potential overextension. The VWAP at 3.33 is below the current price, reinforcing short-term strength. The past 20-day average close is 1.57, far below the current price, highlighting the sharp upward move. June's rally faded into a consolidation phase in July, but the August 21st surge indicates a breakout. Support is around 2.50, recent pivot, and resistance at 4.47, recent high. Momentum indicators. Momentum indicators signal strong bullish sentiment, but also hint at overbought conditions. The 14-day RSI is at 85.25, deep in overbought territory. The MACD is at 0.21, above the signal line 0.07, with a positive histogram 0.15, confirming bullish momentum. The 15-day stochastic oscillator STOCHK 36.39, STOCHD 30.87 is moderate, not yet overbought, indicating room for further upside if volume supports. Williams %R, negative 13.19, is near overbought, negative 20, aligning with RSI's caution. The 14-day MFI at 99.94 is extremely high, reflecting intense buying pressure. The 10-day momentum, 2.75, and 14-day ROC, 194.89%, underscore the rapid price surge. The Chaikin oscillator 67.64M is positive, indicating accumulation. The 14-day ADX at 44.59 shows a strong trend, with DX at 81.95 confirming dominant bullish direction. The Arun oscillator 64.29 and RON up 100 further support the uptrend. Overall, momentum is robustly bullish, but overbought signals like RSI and MFI suggest caution for short-term corrections. Volatility analysis. Volatility has been high, particularly with the July and August spikes. Bollinger Bands show the middle band at 1.57, with the upper band at 2.74 and the lower band at 0.40. The current price, 4.04, is well above the upper band, indicating extreme volatility and potential for mean reversion. The 14-day ATR, 0.39, reflects significant daily price swings, with NATR, 9.55%, showing elevated volatility relative to price. Daily return standard deviation is approximately 9.5%, with July 16 and August 21st showing intraday ranges of 3.25 and 2.07 respectively, compared to earlier 0.1 to 0.3 ranges. The 14-day beta, 0.38, suggests APM is less volatile than the broader market despite recent spikes. The Arun oscillator 64.29 and high DX 81.95 confirm strong directional movement. Volatility peaked during the August 21st surge, volume 366M, but the narrowing Bollinger Bands prior to this suggested a breakout was imminent. Volatility may remain elevated if momentum persists, with the lower band 0.40 as a distant support. Volume analysis. Volume trends show a strong correlation with price movements, correlation coefficient 0.92. Average daily volume over 3 months is approximately 6.07 million shares, but spikes on July 16 and August 21st, 196 million and 366 million dwarf typical activity, signaling massive buying interest. Pre-July volumes were low, 10K to 100K, indicating limited liquidity, but the recent surges suggest institutional or speculative participation. OBV 671.98M has risen sharply, confirming accumulation during price spikes. The check-in oscillator 67.64M supports this, showing strong buying pressure. Volume declines during July consolidation, e.g. 52K on August 20th, indicate weaker selling pressure, while high volume days align with bullish moves. The August 21st volume, 366M, is unprecedented, likely driven by news such as Diamir Biosciences' APOE test approval. Sustained high volume is needed to maintain the uptrend. A drop could signal exhaustion. Overall outlook. Over the past 3 months, APM has shown remarkable strength, rising from a low of 0.86 to a high of 4.47, with the August 21st close at 4.04 marking a significant breakout. Short-term indicators SMA5, MACD, and momentum confirm strong bullish momentum, while long-term moving averages support an ongoing uptrend. However, overbought signals RSI 85.25, MFI 99.94, and the price's position above the Bollinger upper band suggests a potential short-term pullback. Support is at 2.50 recent pivot and 1.57 20-day SMA, with resistance at 4.47. Volume spikes indicate strong market interest, likely tied to recent news, but sustainability depends on continued volume. Short-term outlook is bullish with caution due to overbought conditions. A pullback to 2.50 to 3.00 is possible. Medium-term outlook is neutral pending volume and momentum confirmation. Long-term outlook is positive, supported by rising moving averages. Investors should monitor for sustained volume and a potential MACD pullback. A stop loss below 2.50 is advisable in this volatile environment.